devices must be held securely.
I don't have to that.
Which is fine. So I was literally like one like it feels like I do.
I'm coming to you guys from Edinburgh. I'm so happy to be here. Got up very early this morning, which is why I feel like I don't look my best right now. Woke up at 5 a.m. I'm here for a trip with Vieve. I'm sure you have, but if you haven't heard of Vieve, Vieve is a brand by my friend Jamie Genevieve, a makeup brand that is doing incredible things. She has just done so well with it. It's a really amazing brand. The makeup is incredible, but they've also just launched a wellness kind of branch, a range of products. So candle, body oil, bath salts. Is that it? Honestly, I've tried them and they are so good. I love them. The scent is just like sexy, woody, delicious. She has nailed it. I was just downstairs actually chatting to Jamie about like how she came up with the scent and what she's going to be doing with it, what she's tried, what hasn't worked, what she's going to like work further on this year. It's just amazing. I'm so impressed with everything she's achieved and she's just the most lovely, wonderful person. So that is my little intro to this vlog. We are here with a lovely group of girls just for like 24 hours to learn more about the kind of wellness products within the Vieve brand. Just checked into my room. We got here and just got like stuck straight into lunch. Had a really gorgeous like buffet lunch with salad and chicken and all like yummy things. And then we're gonna go on a little wellness walk in a moment. So just like a gorgeous walk in the countryside. We're so lucky with the weather today. Yesterday was pouring with rain. Today it's a really lovely, dry, crisp, like sunny day. So it's perfect for walking. They've even given us some little walking boots in our room, so I'm going to pop those on and we're going to go for a little wellness walk, which would be really nice. I feel like I need to do something to my face, freshen up a little bit. I just brought this beauty bag with me, which is an Elizabeth Scarlett bag, and I love it. You can fit so much in. Like in here I've got the whole thing from my makeup brushes and then all my skincare, makeup and everything. It's really great. What am I going to do? I feel like I'm just going to touch up my makeup a little bit. Should I show you the room? What's the time? Running out of time. I have been faffing. This is the room. It's so nice. Just a big gorgeous bed, really lovely big room, and through here is a little bathroom as well, and there's a freestanding roll top bath, which is so nice. Look, here are some of the products. Oh yeah, bath soak, that's the one I forgot. Bath and body soak. I've got all of these at home and I've tried them and loved them. Bath body massage oil. These are the bath salts. So nice. So I'm just going to unpack, sort my life out, get everything in place, and then I will take you with me on the little wellness walk. This is the new Vieve makeup bag, and I've seen this, and the reason I think this looks so perfect for storing makeup is because it unzips and then opens so wide. Oh my gosh, that is brilliant. There's a zip. Oh my god, this is so good. This is better than I thought. There's a zip down the middle for your brushes, so I won't need like a separate brush holder. Pockets on the edge, also wipeable. I actually think I have my perfect like travel makeup skincare bags now. I have a feeling Rich is gonna want to steal this one, but no, this is like the perfect makeup bag. That is so nice how it opens up flat so you can see everything that's in it. Maybe this can be my makeup bag and the other one could be my skincare bag. That's what I'm gonna do. This is so nice. I have been eyeing this up online and it just looks so brilliant. Right, let me try these boots on. This is so nice. They're Grenson walking boots. How fancy. Oh my gosh, those are so comfortable. Victoria's also on this trip and we've been having some very interesting industry chats. I just love getting together with people who have been doing this for a while and just like chatting about how the industry's changed and our thoughts on like new features and social media channels. Look how cool these are. This is what I'm wearing today. I've got some necklaces on. I think they're all Midsummer. This one's Daisy London. This Arquette cardigan, cashmere cardigan. Jeans are from M&S. I really like these. They're like a wide leg jean. Oh, I think my coat's hung up downstairs. Big and Other Stories coat. Got my Ganni hat. Oh my god, I bought these in the airport. I can't believe it's already mini egg season. I bought these in the airport because I knew I would want like little snacks in my room. So good. That was really, really lovely. It's actually really encouraged me. Oh my god, my necklaces are so tangled. It's made me realise that when I walk back from dropping Gray at school, instead of scrolling on my phone as I walk, often trying to get like ahead with work, I should just walk in silence and just listen to the sounds and look around me and smile at neighbours, because it really does make quite a difference to your mood. And it's just a 10-minute walk, and I can do that almost daily. So that was really lovely and positive, and I'm now changing into a dressing gown. I've got a Vieve dressing gown. I'm just gonna change into this quickly because we're having massages. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. When we were on that walk, she put some lavender oil in our hands and we were like breathing it in, and honestly, aromatherapy oils do something to me. I am so sensitive to smells and I just love it. So a massage to me is just like perfection when it comes to relaxing. Okay, I'm gonna head downstairs. Oh my god, that was so good. I'm so relaxed. Quickly back in my clothes because we're gonna go have afternoon tea and like a makeup chat with Jamie. Look at all this afternoon tea spread. So nice, and there's tea, there's champagne.
Whenever like I used to imagine pink makeup, I think you can often think about like Aunt Sally makeup, like pink looking really, really obvious and really stark. There's something about the tone of this that is so flattering on everyone, and it's so wearable altogether. So monochromatic pink as well, I think, is a bit of a risky business, but
What an inspiration, honestly. Jamie just like talked us through some of the new launches, which I will show you actually in a minute, but also gave us some like sneak peeks of stuff that's coming out. And then while she was doing her makeup, it was just super casual. Obviously we all know each other, so we're just like firing questions her way, like some really honest stuff. And it was so interesting. Like, she is honestly a real inspiration. Let me show you some of the new things. So if you guys have tried before the Sunset Blush Balm in Rosa, which is a really lovely, sorry, the light in here is quite dark, so my camera's not really focusing. Everyone loved this shade so much that they've launched a few other products in Rosa as well. So they've got the Lip Dew, which is a really gorgeous lip gloss. They've also got the powder blusher, gorgeous shade, all really, really wearable, and the eye wand, which is just my absolute favorite product. I use the eye wand in Camel literally every day. This is my just absolute, like, would save it in a burning house eyeshadow that I use every single day. So that's Camel, and then this is Rosa, which is a kind of slightly metallic pink, but in like a really non-scary way. I'm actually just kind of tried it out now while we were having that talk, but my makeup is just like disintegrated at this point, so not a good example. I don't think I'm going to wear it tonight because I'm doing a red lip, but I'm definitely going to try it properly another time. We've got some free time, so obviously I am going to run myself a bath, because anytime I'm somewhere where the bath is deep and wide and comfortable to sit in, because our bath at home it's okay, but this is better. I'm gonna run myself a gorgeous steaming hot bath. Do I put in the salts, or do I put in the soak? I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna put in the salts and the soak, and then I'm gonna put the oil on afterwards. This is what they used in the massage. It was so nice. Okay. Most bath salts that I own are really chunky, which look very luxurious, but actually they don't really like disintegrate in the bath. And what I really like about this, can you see, it's almost like sand. So it really, really does kind of melt away in the bath. Let me talk through the makeup that I've just done. I was just listening to music, filming a little bit, taking my time with it. Wonder if it's more helpful with a light. Let's just turn it down. So I started with the Skin Nova, which is the most hydrating, gorgeous, glowy primer. Absolutely gives beautiful glass skin. I then went in with my Hourglass Vanish foundation, which is always the foundation I use on like a night out if I want my skin to look great. What else did I use? I used my Merit bronzer, the Vieve bronzer isn't quite the right shade for me, but I have heard that they are bringing more shades out this year, so I'm so excited because the formula is perfect. The shade just didn't work for me, so hopefully the new shades will work for me. I used a combination of the Rosa Sunset Blush Balm and the powder blush, so just like a little bit of blush. I used a little bit of the Skin Dew as a highlight, which is what you can see there, which looks a little bit strong with the light, but it's not that strong in real life. Brows, tiny bit of my favourite Camel eyeshadow, mainly along the lash line, and then the Vieve mascara, which is unreal. I love this. Honestly, every product I love, apart from the bronzer. It's the only one I've had an issue with, and it was just a shade thing. This is such a gorgeous mascara. I could literally do like a full face of Vieve at this point. I'm going to do a red lip tonight because I'm wearing an all cream outfit, and I think I'm going to do red lip with my hair up. I think that would look really nice. Jamie lent me her red Muse lip liner, and the girls bought, the PR girls bought me a Muse lipstick as well, which is the red lipstick. Should I do my red lip now? No, that is so dangerous. I'm going to put on my clothes first and then I'm going to do my red lip. Oh, I'm having a shocker of a time. So I took my skirt out, realised that it was totally creased. I didn't think it would crease that bad because it's quite heavyweight, but it really creased, and I didn't bring my steamer with me. No one seems to have one. There was an iron in the cupboard, so I thought I would try and use the iron as a steam, which was actually working quite well for a while until it spat out water all over my skirt. It's kind of drying, but I think it's just like old water that's in there, and oh, it could potentially leave marks. Is this the front or the back of the skirt? Oh goody, it's the front. What a joy. So that is very annoying. Just walking into the only room here that seems to have light so I can vlog. We've just been having drinks, we've all been taking photos. Jamie has been teaching me her skills, honestly. So good. We just took some really fun photos outside. Let me show you Jamie's amazing outfit. Woo!
Thank you.
Where's this from?
Anita Bing.
Oh, I love it.
Christensen Club. I have wore this today. I wore it
so nice.
years
I love
ago,
Anita
and I'll
Bing.
continue to wear it every year. Thank you.
So good. Right, are we going up for dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, into the dinner room. Oh wow! Oh my god, this looks so good. Look at this cauliflower cheese. Victoria got very excited about the cauliflower cheese.
I gasped so loudly then. You'd think I've never eaten in my entire life.
That's so good. Oh my gosh, what's this?
Truffle potatoes.
Wow. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Oh my god, that is steaming. What is that?
Cauliflower cheese.
Cheese, babe. You know what, I'll do a little. This looks fun. Did I put it on a holly cheese?
Here you go, who would like these? Crazy. Good morning guys, I had such a lovely sleep and I'm just about to head down for breakfast before we leave. Thought I'd quickly show you what I'm wearing. This is the only full length mirror in the room, but I'm wearing my red Suzanne cardigan, the little white vest up underneath, and these are some trousers from Arquette, wide leg grey trousers, Converse because I wore them yesterday trying to save space in the case. I think everyone's downstairs, so I better head down for breakfast.